Hello everyone and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Stella speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So of course my friends, last Saturday we have sent signals on the USD pairs, and in today's video we're going to follow up these signals. And now as usual, let's begin with the EURUSD. So of course I have sent a deal to sell the EURUSD from 1.090, and as we can see the reversal has occurred exactly at 1.090, so meaning this signal was triggered. Of course we don't have to wait for the market to reach exactly the red line, because this signal says sell at 1.090, which means if it reaches this zone then we have to sell the market. Now as you can see, the market has reversed exactly at 1.090 as well, so therefore this signal has been activated and so far running in about 56 pips of profit. How cool is that? So again, if you guys have taken the signal, please share with us in the comments. And now let's continue with the EURUSD and delete everything and start from scratch, because right now what we have here on the EURUSD based on the 4-hour time frame is of course a clear head and shoulders pattern, which confirms that the market right now will continue the fall. So now after this bearish reversal happened right here, now the EURUSD actually has the potential to retest the broken level of a resistance right here at 1.084, and now it start actually a pullback. And if that happens, then we can actually expect to sell the EURUSD at a certain level right here at that broken level of a support at 1.087. So to confirm this entry, what we need to do is simply look at the left side to find a strong key level of a resistance, and that can be found exactly right here at 1.086. As we can see, this was of course a broken level of a support. Now by looking at the left side, we need to find the nearest real level of a resistance to that bearish breakout candle. So now if we can see here a support, a fake breakout, and then finally we can see here the resistance appeared right on the left side. So meaning it's ideal in my opinion to sell the EURUSD exactly right here when it retests the broken level of a support zone right here at 1.087. Now if that happens, we can actually continue sell the EURUSD till it reach the bottom of the support at 1.081, which means we can look for around 56 pips profit from the signal. However, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than our previous entry at 1.090, which means that of course is going to be our safe zone. And just let me write the signal right in front of you, 0.86. Sorry guys, I think I'm getting old and I need to get closer to the screen to see the numbers. Anyway, that's gonna be everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Alright, so Pound USD has also been activated. We have sent a deal to sell it at 1.294, and as we can see the reversal occurred also at 1.294, which means right now the Pound USD is running in about 50 pips of profit, which is really good. Now what's next with this pair? Actually not much. We are still expecting from the pair to continue the fall toward our take profit level at 1.285. However, right now the pair is actually facing right here. If I switch to the left side, it's actually facing right here a broken level of a resistance, as we can see. Let me just zoom in to show it to you. Right here, of course, that level of a real resistance is now being retested at 1.288. I think it's 1.288, right? Let me zoom in. Yeah, I think so. It's 1.288. Anyway, now we can expect a pullback to happen. And if that happens, we can expect from the Pound USD to also retest the broken level of a real support right here exactly at 1.290, which means the pair still has a chance to continue the fall after it rises to another 18 pips. And our take profit level will actually be expanded a little bit more to be right here at the bottom of the real support resistance, sorry, at 1.284. So therefore, let me just adjust this take profit level to be right here and the entry to be just right there, and the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a nearest resistance to the entry, which means we can still look for around I would say about roughly about 60 pips of profit. However, the safe zone will be ranging for 37 pips. Let me just now adjust the new entry to be at 1.290. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so that's gonna be everything for the pound USD. Let's now move to the AUD USD. As we can see, my friends, we are going fast because this is just a follow-up, so we don't have to reanalyze the market. Now, AUD USD, as we can see, was a winner. It has reversed also from 0.670 as well, and it indeed hit the take profit level, making 83 pips of profit, and so far running in about 120 pips of profit. So it was a great deal, and before we continue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment if you have taken this signal, and of course share the video. So what's next now with the AUD USD? That's the big question. Actually, that's a good question because the market right now is actually moving in a very strong bearish movement. Now the AUD USD is way so oversold, but still I believe it's going to continue the fall. Reaching that level of a support zone right here just means that we can expect a pullback for a correction, of course, to gain some liquidity, and after that the pair will continue the fall. In my opinion, the best level to start reselling the AUD USD will be exactly right here at that level of a key resistance at 0.661. Why? First of all, that was of course the real level of a resistance all the way. We had of course multiple fake breakouts, but however that was indeed the real level of a support as well, as we can see. And remember, this is the daily chart, which means this is actually the best level to start selling the AUD USD. I'm not expecting this signal to be activated by today, Wednesday. I believe it's going to be activated by tomorrow, Thursday, and the market will gain actually some strength to reach that level of a resistance. After that, it will continue the fall. Now the question is, how far is going to continue the fall to? Now, by using the Fibonacci retracement, we can notice that the pair right now, of course, has made a bearish breakout from 23.6 and 38.2, and right now might reverse at 50. Therefore, if it's going to reverse near 38.2, it will continue the fall towards 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, which was, of course, in the past a key level of a support as well. Therefore, Fibonacci 61.8 will be actually our take profit level. And that means we can expect around 88 pips profit from the signal. However, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than the resistance zone that we have right here, since we actually relying on it to sell the AUD USD. So therefore, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than 32 pips only against 88 pips of profit. Let me know, please write the signal for you. That's everything, my friends, for the AUD USD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. So USDCAD has indeed achieved our take profit level, but of course has not been activated. This signal has reversed just like 20 pips far away from our entry. However, it actually has even exceeded the take profit level. So now what's next? Well, let me just now go to the daily chart, and now we can see clearly that we had right here, of course, a broken real level of a resistance exactly right there at 1.378. Now the USDCAD is indeed moving in a very strong bullish movement. I mean, this is daily chart, and if we check the last 10 candles, we had a lot of blue candles. I mean, we had 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blue candles. However, we had a very small minor red one, which means a very strong bullish movement right here. What's going on with the USDCAD? By moving to the weekly chart, however, now we can notice that the pair is indeed at the highest level of a resistance. Now, what's going on? Simply a bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line. So right here, of course, we had a triangle that indeed has been broken out from, and the market just made a breakout from the structure by 71 pips. Most likely now the USDCAD will continue to rise till it reaches the highest level of a real resistance at 1.389, and that will be actually our next take profit level after another 106 pips of profit, hopefully. But now the question is, where exactly we can rebuy the USDCAD again? Let's now move back to the daily chart. So right here, based on the daily chart, we can notice here a strong key level of a resistance indeed right here that has been broken out from at 1.375, and the pair actually has exceeded that level by about 40 pips. In my opinion, that will be the safest level at all to rebuy the USDCAD again. But why right there? Let me show you something. If we do this right now, if we draw here a support trend line from this lower low to this higher low just like that, And note what I will do next is simply move the same line that I have just drawn here and place it on this level of a key support trend line. Let me just do it exactly like this. Check this out. So right now we can see clearly that we had right here, of course, a key support trend line that has been respected all the way with zero resistance trend line. The market just simply kept respecting that level. We did not witness any resistance trend line here at all. And the market most likely right now facing here a resistance level. So there is a chance for a pullback to happen. And after that, I'm expecting from the USDCAD to respect the same level of a support trend line. And afterward, it will continue to rise. The only issue here is that this is daily chart. So meaning for this signal to be activated, it's going to take a while. But that is the only option that we have so far. Therefore, what we can do right now is simply buy the USDCAD at 1.375. And we will be targeting the highest level of a real resistance right here at 1.385. Sorry about that. So meaning we will have to look for around 100 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key resistance right here. Let me just show it to you based on the daily chart right here and right here. That was of course a key level of a resistance. That will be the edge of our safe zone, ranging for around 47 pips against 100 pips of profit. Let's now move to the NZD USD, which to be honest, it actually has went indeed as expected. I don't know if this signal was activated. Let me just check. Nope, it hasn't been activated. The reversal, let me just show it to you. I'm showing you guys that we are really here honest and transparent as much as possible. I mean, it's actually, it reversed just like 3 pips far away from my entry. But to be honest and fair, we cannot claim this signal because as we can see, look at the right side, it has reversed from 0.602. Meanwhile, my signal was at 0.603. What a bummer. 3 pips far away. However, that signal has achieved around 90 pips. But of course, again, we cannot claim this signal to be fair with everybody. However, NZD USD, my friends, went as predicted in the right direction. But right now, we cannot send any signal for the NZD USD. I will tell you why. The pair is actually moving in a very strong bearish movement. I'm not even expecting a pullback to happen at this rate. Most likely the NZD USD will continue to fall toward the support right here at 0.568. And after that, we will see what will going to happen if we will continue selling this pair, or maybe we can buy at the support. We really don't know yet. We have to wait for some price action to confirm. I cannot send a signal to sell at any pullback because I'm actually not expecting any pullback to happen anytime soon. The bearish movement is way too strong, and it seems to me like the pair will continue to fall instantly to another 45 pips. So therefore, I cannot really send any signal for the NZD USD. It's just so unclear right now what will gonna happen. So therefore, let's now skip this pair and move to the USDCHF. USDCHF has also reversed at 0.887, just like another 4 pips far away from our entry. What a bummer. It hasn't been activated, unfortunately. But at least it went in the right direction. However, what's next with this pair? Actually, by looking at the left side right now, we can notice clearly that the USDCHF is indeed actually respecting that level of a previous resistance right here as 0.892, and also retesting the broken level of a key support at the same level. However, I believe now we have here, based on the daily chart, a double bottom pattern has appeared, and the USDCHF will indeed continue to rise. But the question is, where exactly we can rebuy this pair again? The answer lies on the left side at that level of a support. If we have to adjust our line right now to be exactly at that level of a support, exactly right there, now we can expect from the USDCHF to fall again right here to another, let me just see how many pips is that. Another 14 or 15 pips, and of course that level of a real support most likely is going to be respected. And by zooming in right now, we can notice that this was of course a broken level of a resistance, and that was of course the bullish breakout candle. So therefore we can just simply buy the retest of the resistance right here, and then the USDCHF will continue to rise toward our take profit level. That means that our signal is going to be changed to be exactly right here at 0. To buy at 0.889 this time, keeping of course the same take profit level, and hopefully it's going to be a good signal. We are looking for around 67 pips of profit against 40 pips of a safe zone. We can even actually adjust that to be just right here. We don't need that much of a safe zone because the bullish movement here is stronger. So therefore, I just want to do that. Okay, like that. So our safe zone will be ranging to around 32 pips only against 67 pips of profit. So that was everything, my friends, for the midweek analysis. Don't forget, of course, to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this about these signals. You can simply find the link in the description below of this video. Join us today and trade with the Xtreme Trader team. Do not trade by yourself. Always make sure that you will join the winning team of Xtreme Trader, and hopefully we will do the best we can to assist you and help you with these signals. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.